Hello everyone, and welcome to Side Hustle Avenue, your go-to place for exploring the vast, exciting world of side hustle opportunities. We've just stepped into episode 2, and we're shifting our gears to the visually engaging realm of graphic design services. Oh yes, we're talking about transforming your artistic prowess into a profit-making machine. Today we're diving into the colorful world of graphic design services, so buckle up and get ready for a creative ride. First off, let's decode what graphic design services really are. Now, you might have heard the term tossed around in casual conversations or during those late-night internet surfing sessions, but do you truly understand what it means? Graphic design services, in essence, are a form of visual communication. They involve creating and combining symbols, images, and text to create a visual representation of ideas and messages. This isn't simply about making things look pretty, though that's a significant part of it. It's about communicating effectively and engagingly. Imagine you're trying to explain the complexities of climate change to a 5-year-old. You could go all scientific, spouting facts and figures, but chances are they'll be bored out of their minds. But swap those complex words with vibrant illustrations, engaging infographics, and suddenly, you've got their attention. That's the power of graphic design. It breaks down complex information and transforms it into digestible, visually appealing content that not only captures attention, but also influences perceptions and behaviors. In this digital age, the importance of graphic design services has skyrocketed. Every social media post, every website, every advertisement you see online has been touched by the hands of a graphic designer. It's their work that helps brands to stand out in a crowded marketplace, to tell their stories, to connect with their audience. But graphic design isn't just about creating pretty pictures, it's a strategic tool. Good design isn't just aesthetically pleasing, it's also effective. It communicates the right message to the right people in the right way. It influences how we perceive information, how we respond to it, how we remember it. So to sum it up, graphic design services are about creating visual content to communicate messages. It's about combining art and strategy to influence the audience. It's about creating visual magic that captivates, engages, and inspires. So that's graphic design in a nutshell. A blend of art and strategy, a dash of creativity, and a whole lot of visual magic. The world isn't just about what you say, but how you show it. And in the realm of graphic design, showing is everything. Now, graphic design isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of service. Let's dive into the fascinating world of graphic design services that are as varied as they are captivating. First up, we have logo design. This is the quintessential graphic design service. A well-designed logo is a brand's fingerprint, its unique identifier. It's the symbol that consumers use to recognize a brand. A graphic designer creates distinctive, memorable logos that communicate the right message. Next, we have brand identity design. This goes beyond just a logo. It's about creating a visual language that is consistent across all customer touchpoints. This can include everything from business cards and letterheads to social media graphics and product packaging. The aim is to create a unified image that represents the brand's values and personality. Speaking of packaging, packaging design is another key service. It's all about creating an attractive and informative wrapper, box, or container for a product. Good packaging design can make a product stand out on the shelf and influence a customer's purchasing decision. Then we have web design, which is crucial in the digital age. A website is often a company's first impression to potential customers online. A well-designed website is not just visually appealing, but also user-friendly, responsive, and optimized for search engines. There's also user interface design, or UI design. This is all about designing the interactive elements of a product or software. Think buttons, scroll bars, and even the layout of a mobile app. It's all about creating an intuitive and engaging user experience. And let's not forget about print design. Despite the digital revolution, there's still a demand for good old-fashioned print materials. This can include everything from brochures and flyers to magazines and books. So you see, graphic design is not just about making things look pretty. It's about problem solving, it's about communicating, it's about influencing behavior. And each type of graphic design service requires a different set of skills and design techniques. Whether it's designing a catchy logo or a sleek website, the world of graphic design is as diverse as it is exciting. You might be thinking, why should I consider graphic design as a side hustle? Well, allow me to paint a picture for you. The first brushstroke is flexibility. As a graphic designer, you're not chained to a 9-to-5 routine. You can work from your cozy home office or your favorite coffee shop. Heck, you can even design while lounging on a beach if you're one of those lucky folks living in sunnier climes. Next on the canvas is creativity. Graphic design is a fantastic outlet for your artistic inclinations. You'll be creating visually appealing works of art that serve a purpose. And isn't that a beautiful blend of form and function? Now let's splash on some color with demand. In an increasingly digital world, businesses both big and small are constantly on the lookout for talented designers to bring their brands to life. Logos, websites, social media posts, you name it, they need it. And for the final touch, let's add a layer of profitability. With competitive rates and a wide array of potential clients, graphic design can bring in a pretty penny. You might start off designing as a side hustle, but who knows where it could lead. Maybe one day you'll be sipping margaritas on that beach, working on designs for a top-tier client. In short, if you have a knack for art and a keen eye for detail, graphic design can be a rewarding and profitable side gig. Ready to dive into the world of graphic design? Here are some steps to get you started. Step 1. Learn the skills. Graphic design is an art that requires both creativity and technical prowess. There are numerous online platforms offering courses that can help you master the fundamentals of graphic design, understand color theory, typography, and more. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your design skills. So take your time, practice, and stay curious. Step 2. Build a portfolio. Your portfolio is your ticket to the world of graphic design. It's the visual resume that showcases your style, skills, and your unique design voice. Start by creating a diverse range of designs that demonstrate your abilities. You can even do mock projects or volunteer your services to local businesses or nonprofits. This will not only help you build your portfolio, but also gain real-world experience. Step 3. Set up your website. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial. Your website should be clean, easy to navigate, and most importantly, it should effectively showcase your portfolio. There are plenty of website builders out there that can help you create a stunning website, even if you're not a coding wizard. Step 4. Determine your pricing. This can be a tricky one. You want to ensure you're getting paid what you're worth, but you also don't want to scare away potential clients. Research what other designers are charging. Consider the time and effort you put into your work, and don't forget to factor in your expenses. Step 5. Market your services. Now that you have your skills, portfolio, website, and pricing sorted, it's time to let the world know about your services. Social media platforms can be a great place to start. You can also network with local businesses, join online communities, and even consider freelance platforms. Remember, effective marketing is all about building relationships and showcasing your value. And finally, step 6, keep learning and evolving. The field of graphic design is always changing, with new trends and technologies emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you need to continuously learn, adapt, and evolve. Attend webinars, follow industry leaders, and keep exploring new design tools and techniques. So there you have it. Starting a graphic design service may seem daunting at first, but remember, every expert was once a beginner. It's a journey that requires patience, persistence, and creativity. So take that first step, believe in yourself, and before you know it, you'll be on your way to creating designs that not only look good, but also tell a story. Remember, starting a graphic design service is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and creativity. And there you have it, your roadmap to starting a successful graphic design service. We've journeyed through the vibrant world of graphic design services, exploring its various forms from logo creation to website design and more. We've delved into the whys, illustrating why this side hustle could be a brilliant choice for you. It's flexible, creative, and the demand is there. Then, we mapped out the steps to get your graphic design service up and running. We talked about honing your skills, building a portfolio, finding your niche, and marketing your services. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and you've got your first one right here. If you enjoyed this trip down graphic design service lane and want to exploring other side hustles with us, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Side Hustle Avenue. Until our next adventure, keep hustling and remember, the world is your avenue.